Sila lang. Not really. Hindi, I don't have a big family. Hindi ako,
Hindi masyadong
hindi
malaki.
masyadong
Hindi
malaking
malaki
pamilya
ang
ko.
aking pamilya.
Aking pamilya.
Yes.
Tama?
Yeah.
Hindi masyadong
Or
malaki.
you don't have to say masyado.
aking-
Hindi malaking
Hindi
pamilya.
malaking aking pamilya.
Tatlo lang or apat lang.
Tatlo lang kami. Actually, yeah, tama. Apat. Well, I know my stepdad's like lola at lola. But matagal na hindi ko nakita.
Matagal na hindi kami nakita.
Hindi kami?
Yeah. Matagal na hindi kami nakita.
Matagal na hindi kami nakita.
Matagal na hindi kami nakita.
Matagal na
Matagal na
hindi kami nakita.
Yeah.
Matagal na kami hindi na.
Matagal na hindi kami nakita.
Hindi kami nakita.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Like, I don't know. 10 years, I think. I don't know. 10 taon.
10 taon.
Yeah. I remember it's in Alabama, and we lived in Georgia at the time, so long hour drive. But when we get there, it's puro forest. Like like here's the street, ganito. And then there's another street here going. This is all forest, so you have to drive through.
Yung bahay nila?
Yung bahay, ang
ng lolo at lola mo.
My stepdads. And puro fireflies. Me and my brother would like run around catching fireflies in a jar.
Wow.
It's beautiful. That was the nice thing about
I've
it.
seen a firefly.
But minsan, me and my brother, masyadong makulit. At
Malikot.
Malikot?
Malikot ba kayo?
Malikot?
Yeah.
What's that?
Malikot, halimbawa, yung mga bata na lumalaro sa playground, malikot sila.
Malikot. Oh, like that?
Malikot. Or yung mga biik, malikot
Okay,
sila.
malikot.
Kung nandito sila sa, lumalaro sa...
Buhangin.
Sa sand. They're malikot.
Malikot.
What else is malikot? Yeah,
I think so.
Yeah,
I get it.
malikot.
Wait, let me check.
Mm.
Malikot.
I think it would be likot. Malikot. Let me try malikot.
Mischievous, restless, always moving. Malikot. Mischievous. I like that word. Malikot. Yeah, so masyadong malikot kami. So minsan I wouldn't call her step grandma. That sounds really bad. Yeah. Step grandma, how are you? Grabe naman.
Lola mo.
Yeah. Talagang African American, as in like almost like you see the movies like Mississippi Burning. I don't know if you've seen like the Denzel Washington. Like talagang down south. Like the cousins live like 5 minutes away.
Talaga?
Yeah. And then like we would get in trouble, trouble? Gulo?
May gulo.
May gulo kami.
Nagugulo kami.
Nagugulo kami.
Naggugulo. You guys are making trouble.
Nagugulo kami.
Naggugulo.
So, sinabi niya, ang lola, pumunta ka sa labas at,
pumunta kayo sa labas?
Sa labas.
At?
Kunin nyo, I don't know, like a switch from the tree, sa puno. Like you have to pick your own, napili.
Piliin mo
isang switch galing sa tree.
Switch?
Like, like the branch, like there's these trees, minsan, and they have these like thin branches you have to peel off. And we would have to give it to our grandma, and then she would hit us with it. Like that.
Oh.
As in, like...
Pinapalo.
Pinapalo, yeah.
Ah.
I swear. Yeah, like that.
Okay.
But